What's up, guys? I'm about to head out again and try to catch some more flatheads. I'm gonna start off at the at our cove over here in Abbott's Creek again, just like last video. We're gonna start shallow and just troll on down. Yeah, I got my nephews here playing with my sons. It might be kind of loud out here. They don't come down here often, so when they do come down, they just have a whole lot of fun with my son. So I did catch some crappie earlier today, and I casted the net just now and got a whole bunch of shad. So I'm set on bait right now. I don't gotta go cast the net anymore and get wet, y'all, which is a good thing. All right, y'all. Looks like we're set. Let's go catch some fish, man. All right, guys. We're gonna start off with some shad right here. Same technique, y'all. Just butterfly these bad boys right here. 10-aught circle hook. These are Whisker Seeker triple threats right here. Super good hooks. Guys, this rod just got hit and he let it go. Yeah, I've been trolling for about I don't know, 15 minutes. Had a lot of dink taps. Pretty sure my bait's gone and maybe all my rods, honestly. Might turn around and start back at the start of the cove again. Alright, guys, back at the end of the cove, and I'm gonna have one rod with crappie on it. Got him butterfly just like that, man. Heck yeah. My gosh. Just lost this one. God, that thing got smacked, man. I'm switching that out. It turned the whole kayak, man. That was ridiculous. Gosh. I'm just curious. Let's see what happened. Huh? Definitely got hit. There's a bite mark right there. It's alright, we'll switch that out. Got plenty of bait. Guys, that's a fish. Oh no. Oh, he let it go. Dang, man. I reeled in too quick. That was my fault. Good God, man. That sucks. It's like the third fish I've lost. Oh. God, I'm getting so many hits, man. But I just can't get the fish. What the heck, man? That's a fish. That's a fish. We got a fish. It's a little channel. I want a flathead, man, but I'll take him for the first fish, I guess. Not a bad channel. Not really what I'm after, but I'll take him. There he is, y'all. Just a little channel, man. Alright, buddy. Tell your friends I'm here. Catch you next time. Oh! Is he hooked up? He is not hooked up. Dang, man. Lost him again. I can't believe it, y'all. I should have had him. Is there a fish on this rod? Yeah. He's swimming, guys. Yeah, I got him. No way, man. He let it go. I can't believe it, man. I've lost so many fish tonight. It's not even funny. Yeah, he had that thing in his mouth, man. It's all mushed up, man. I cannot believe it. What the heck? I don't know. Maybe they're just really small fish. This one again right here, man. I can't believe it. Oh, oh, oh. This back rod, guys. Back rod. Back rod is getting played with. There's one, finally. Probably a channel. In fact, I know it's a channel. This is a fish that's been playing around with me. Playing all these games, man. Yep. Yeah, this guy ate the midsection of crappie right here. Just wear him down a little bit. He's all wound up right now. Oh, I thought that rod just got hit. Alright, buddy. Get on in here, man. Nice channel, man. I ain't complaining. It's a fish. Still haven't got that flathead, though. Well, probably the same size as the last channel we caught. Still a fish, though, man. God, I can't believe it, man. We went from catching nice flatheads to these guys. Whatever, still fun. Let's keep fishing, man. All right, buddy. Catch you next time. You know what? Now that I think about it, all these hits I've been getting could be turtles. Absolutely, man. I totally didn't even think about that. They could be freaking turtles, man. Playing with me right now. But yeah, guys, I'm just still trolling on through. Probably give it another hour or so and then I'm gonna head back. But man, I just want a flathead again. It's crazy. We're trying though. Y'all, looks like I could only hook on to 2 channels, man. 2 channels and a whole lot of dink taps. Whether they're turtles or just little fish, I don't know, but we missed a whole lot of something. I'm gonna head back now. It's getting kind of late. If you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.